I'll be showing you guys how to go viral on TikTok, like the easy way to go viral on TikTok. So you just need to pay attention and follow every step of this video. So if you are new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you go value. So for you to go viral on TikTok, there are some simple settings you need to activate on your TikTok, and there are some things you must take note of. So the very first thing you want to note on your TikTok is for you to come to where you have your setting right here. So click on this three dash up here. Once you click on that, come to where you have setting and privacy. So once you click on setting and privacy right here, so the first thing you must notice where they have privacy. So you want to ensure that your account is not set as private. As you can see right here, it's showing that my private account is turned off. So ensure that your account is not set as private. If not, your account will not be visible to people. Do you understand? So you can see mine is turned off. So go ahead and turn yours off. Peradventure, it is turned on over there. Hope you get the point. So that's the very first thing you must do if you want to go viral on TikTok, if you want to get more visibility on TikTok. So once you're done with that part, then the next thing you want to do is you go back, then scroll down to where you have free up space. Can you see that? So click on free up space. Right here you see that we have cache and downloads, and cache is showing 25 MB. So ensure you clear this cache. That way it will help your profile become more visible to people. Just go ahead and do this. It works like magic, guys. Go ahead and do this. Before I did this, I used to struggle to get 10 views on my videos, like 10 views, 5 views. But now at least I'm getting about 1,000 views on my videos. Do you understand? So go ahead and do this also. Just clear the cache and come back to this comment section, to the comment section of this video, and let me know if it worked for you. So the final thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and engage with other people's posts. Do you understand? This is very important. TikTok rewards those that are very active on their platform. So if they realize that you're active on their platform, they'll push your content to more people. Do you get? So you want to go ahead and engage other people's posts. And for you to engage people's posts, there's a way to go about that. Like there's a strategy involved. So when you're about to make your posts, you know that you must be active and you must always make posts on TikTok if you want to go viral. Like you want to be very consistent. So now in the process of you becoming consistent, you want to engage people's posts by doing it this way. So let's assume, let me reduce the volume of this. So let's assume you are on your TikTok feed like this. So you want to go ahead and like this person's post. You want to go ahead and comment on his post. You want to go ahead and save the post and also share the post. These 4 buttons you are seeing here, you want to click on the 4 buttons. So you want to do it for like 10 people. Can you see this second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person? Like just continue it for like 10 different people. Do you understand? Once you do that for 10 people, then you now go ahead and make your post on TikTok using relevant hashtag, trending music. Those things are very important. So once you are done making your post on TikTok, then you now come back and repeat the process again for 10 people. Do you understand? You go ahead and like their posts, comment on their posts, save their posts, share their posts. The share, you don't need to share the post. Just click on copy link right here. It means you've shared the post. So once you do those 4 things for 10 different accounts, then watch magic happen on your TikTok. Watch magic happen on your TikTok. Remember that you must be very active. You must post consistently while you try this out. If not, you will not get the results. So I believe you understand all what I explained so far. So and if you did, do it to like this video. If you actually got value watching this, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if this was valuable to you. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.